It is filled with the hottest girls in Bangkok, and that is why you'll likely bump into me too, because I'll be there. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to review a brand new luxury condominium project in Bangkok that is coming into the market in May of this year. It is called Rhythm Ekkamai Estate. It is located in a fantastic location, one of my favorite neighborhoods. So I thought I would do a virtual tour and give you my honest, unbiased review. So we're gonna start off with a neighborhood overview, then I'm gonna go over the condo's facilities, then I'm gonna do a 3D virtual tour of an 81.5 square meter 2-bedroom unit. So this condo is located on Ekkamai Road. It is approximately a 15-minute walk from the Ekkamai BTS station. Right opposite of it is Ekkamai Soi 10, and I love this soi. Right in front of Ekkamai Soi 10 is Healthland Massage, and then into the soi are these really cool bars and restaurants. And then if you go down to Ekkamai Soi 8, it is Big C Superstore. That is where you would get your groceries. Now, if you go north and turn the corner on the left, you're right at Donkey Mall, which is a Japanese themed mall. So expect Japanese food, Japanese groceries, people dressing up thinking they're anime characters. And then upstairs, they got a really cool indoor sports stadium. And then if you go deeper into that soi, it is called Thong Lo Soi 10, which is the street that connects Ekkamai and Thong Lo. Now, this street here is party central of Bangkok. It is filled with the hottest girls in Bangkok, and that is why you'll likely bump into me too, because I'll be there. So that is the neighborhood overview. Let's get into the condo project itself. Now, Rhythm Ekkamai Estate has an average price per square meter at around 200,000 baht. So that puts it in the luxury category. So that comes with expectations of a stunning entrance and really impressive facilities. So that is what I'm going to look for right now. And to do that, I am going to go on to the Rhythm Ekkamai Estate website itself. There we go, an e-brochure. Let's see what they have in store for us. And that is the facade as you enter the premises. So they've got some giant glass panel windows there. I really like these multi-layered floors, and they've even preserved these old trees. That's really nice. Okay, so this is located on the 7th floor, the first and only floating lobby on the 7th floor. The high ceilings, I really like those vertical sunshades. Very nice and elegant, very welcoming. I mean, everything about this condo is just earthy, soothing, serenity, calming, and let's see. Whoa, and they even got a 360-degree infinity pool on the top deck. That is so cool. And your honeymoon seats. Wow, I just want to go lay there and cuddle up with the girl I found in Thong Lo Soi 10 there. Wellness spa right up in that sky lounge there. It seems like they actually designed this with people living there in mind, where they want the people to actually relax and enjoy the view and you know, be amongst some green, some nature, all these trees. So far, I am really impressed by the facilities there. So let's finally have a look at the rooms. So we're gonna do a 3D virtual tour of a 81.5 2-bedroom unit right now. So by doing that, I'm gonna go into the site here. Oh, okay. I like how you come into this foyer area. Usually when you go into an apartment or a condo, you're instantly in your face, you have the kitchen. But this, you're first greeted by a foyer. So you've got your space here to put your shoes. You got a nice cabinet here to hang your umbrella, hang your coat, and then you enter the room. Very nice. And then to the left, you've got a full kitchen here. You've got this kitchen island over here. That's plenty of space there. So if we step in, we've got an oven, place for a full-size refrigerator here. You've got 4 electric stoves, lots of cabinet space. Cabinet space here, this island here, plenty of more space here. You've got a large, generous tabletop here to put all your cooking ingredients, your cookbook, or as they demonstrate here, you can turn it into a bar area. Very generous space here, as well as the living room. Look at this. What I really like about this space is that they demonstrated that yes, there is enough space to put in a full dining table here for 6 people and have enough room for a living room area with a couch and a TV, but you have the option to just ditch that and just eat on the counter here, and then you have this entire space here, this space here to do whatever you want, where you can back the couch up here and then get a way larger TV and maybe a really nice sound system, and you can make yourself a really big home studio here, or you can like clear up the space here to do your home workout, do your yoga, or it can be a place for your kids to play. That's really nice. I really like the space here. And then you've got your porch here, and look at that. So I'm gonna back up and show you this. They've got double screens, so you can close it. So you can close it here, and you've got that balcony as an outdoor area, or you can close it from the outside, and this part here becomes a part of your living room as well. Wow. I mean, it's big enough. They even gave you extra space to convert. This here with the double screens and all this space here tells you they are giving you options. This doesn't even feel like a condo. This is like a home. Wow, okay. All right. Enough of the living room. Let's look at the first bathroom here. Anyway, you can tell that I was really impressed by the living room there. So the first bathroom here, okay, very standard, nothing special, sink, toilet, and a shower. Okay, stepping out of there into the first bedroom. Okay, again, standard, nothing special, but nothing to complain. That's to be expected. You got a bed here, you got a spot here to put a TV. That's your closet space. You got a little space here for your nightstand. All right, well, that's neutral. That's very standard and expected. But let's look at the master bedroom. Stepping in here, wow, the master bedroom. Look at that nice floor to ceiling window that covers that entire side of the wall. Damn, that is a fantastic view for your bedroom. And then you've got, okay, they installed this these shelves here to make it a mini walk-in closet, or you can tear it down and have more space, maybe put a desk here. Let's look at the ensuite bathroom. Okay, again, standard 4-piece ensuite bathroom with a bathtub, to be expected from a condo of this caliber. So overall, I like the master bedroom. It is nice, decently spacious. I love the floor to ceiling window here. It's gonna give you a great view, but I absolutely love this gigantic space here. Look at that. That doesn't even feel like a 2-bedroom. It feels like the first story of a house or something. I would totally live here. It's spacious, it's cozy, the design makes sense. It gives you options to modify the interior depending on what you want to do with it. It's got wonderful facilities. You've got that floating lobby downstairs with the giant glass panel walls. Upstairs is a 360 pool. Oh man. Okay. I am sold. Rhythm Ekkamai Estate, you have my stamp of approval. So that is my verdict on this place. It is overwhelmingly positive. So if you want to check out Rhythm Ekkamai Estate and do a virtual tour of the 2-bedroom yourself, click the link that I've included in the description here. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.